It is now clear the benefits of drinking water. So let's take a look at how much water we actually should take each day for maximum benefit. A standard rule of thumb is the 8 by 8 rule. That is to drink 8 glasses of water with each being 8 ounces. Now this might be a good overall rule to follow, but we have to keep in mind that each of us is different and has unique water consumption needs. On average, men need to drink more water than women. For men, a healthy amount of water would be 120 ounces, which comes out to about 15 8-ounce glasses per day. The average woman, on the other hand, can get by with around 90 ounces or about 11 8-ounce glasses per day. Remember that this is just for the average person. There are several other factors that need to be kept in consideration for a more accurate count. Your environment has a lot to do with the amount of water needed. A hot or humid climate will cause a person to sweat, which calls for a greater water intake. Exercise is another factor that needs to be kept in consideration. The more active you are, the more water you need to replenish what you lost during your activities. Be sure to keep your personal variables into account when determining the amount of water you should drink. A few things to keep an eye on to help ensure proper hydration include: you feel overall energized and healthy. Your urine is a light yellow or clear. Simply, you don't feel thirsty. Another source of water that is neglected are from the foods that you eat. A healthy amount of fruits and vegetables help contribute to your total water intake for the day. Most importantly, have a trusted water source that you drink from. Naturally, pure water is the best thing for you. Please ensure you are putting the cleanest water available into your system. It will make all the difference in the world. Thank you for watching this video. If you like our content, please subscribe below. Also, please click on the bell for future notifications from us. Coming up in the next video. Is drinking water before bed a good idea? Water quality, not quantity.